entire secretariat, from the chairman right down to the last person, is something that is a remarkable experience for a person who's traveled somewhat in India and partly abroad. Thank you. I've also had the pleasure of interacting personally with Mr. Shamit Dave on one-on-one basis, and with a delightful lady assistant he had with him, Rachna, who was checking back even 30 seconds back whether I was present to be able to come to the stage. That is the level of commitment that she has. Thank you so much. Thank you. This topic is learning from failure, my topic. And I find it particularly relevant because the byline of this entire topic given by the institution is Hope to Triumph, Leading in Turbulent Times. My interpretation of this military interpretation is converting defeat into victory. We've had a startling example of a world leader, a British Indian Army officer called General Slim, Field Marshal Slim, who wrote an astonishing book, sir, called Defeat into Victory. It is one of the world classics, if you have an opportunity to read it. From merely the human relations point of view, it would be worth going through that book. What does he say in that book? He says, after a lot of examples and bad experiences, he says, you must develop the strength. वो घमंड आप में होना चाहिए, that you stop taking counsel of your fears. Do not take counsel of your fears. बच्चे जो ऊपर बैठे हुए हैं, बुजुर्ग जिनको मैं कुछ कहने लायक नहीं हूं, बट जो शायद ये सुन करके अपने बच्चों को पास ऑन करें. At no stage in your life can you come to a situation when you start taking counsel of your fears. That is totally, absolutely unwarranted and unjustified. Second point he makes, he prospered in life. He became a great man from being a sipahi, a jawan. He rose to the level of being a field marshal, which is heading an entire army that was 2 million strong, British Indian Army of World War II. And he says, I succeeded. The children may please note, I succeeded because I heard the sound of the drums differently. Life will throw many challenges in front of you, children. Drums are played for everybody. Everybody listens to these fascinating drums and this extraordinarily focused video. The graphic stream must be complemented. But the person who has to succeed in life will hear the sound of the drums differently, because that is one of the DNAs for success and astonishing success in life. So, 2 points. Do not take counsel of your fears. You have no business to do that because you are born with world-class potential. Second point, hear the sound of the drums differently, because if you do that, every possible difficulty will become a challenge and an opportunity, as speaker after speaker after speaker has emphasized here, starting with Narayan Murthy. Please remember that. Right. Another opening point I'd like to make. The IMA initiative, from my perspective, is world-class. I've told you, I've been to the UK, to France, to Israel, to Switzerland, Bhutan, various other places, and of course I've traveled all over India. The amount of planning and detail that has been gone into conducting this program is absolutely world-class. What does it mean? There's a sting attached to this world-class. Every child, every person associated with this program was automatically expected to rise to the occasion. I am happy to report from the perspective of Ronika Thampi, from the perspective of Nikita, who was looking after Nikita Sethi, looking after Mr. Narayan Murthy, and I'm sure all the men and women liaison officers and facilitators, that they have genuinely risen to the occasion. God bless you. Well done. what is available today in India, maybe in many parts of the world, is leadership, which is good. I'm including the Indian Army also, so don't think that I'm preaching for a moment. I'm not. I'm not holding a candle to any one of you. I'm not capable. I'm here as your servant. फौज आवाम की नौकर है, गवर्नेंस की नौकर है, मालिक नहीं है. The point I'm making is that we are led by good leaders. But anybody with knowledge of leadership will understand that most of this leadership available today is transactional. Transactional leadership. I do something for you, you do something in return. Thereafter, the equation generally dies. But on this stage, the first speaker that you invited was not transactional. Dear sirs, ladies, gentlemen, everybody. He was transformational. Gandhi was transformational. Christ was transformational. Clausewitz was transformational. Alexander the Great was transformational. Abraham Lincoln was transformational. Narayan Murthy is transformational. That man came and set this lectern, this stage, and each one of you on fire. He had the right attributes to set your mind on fire. So, all of you who are planning to be leaders of tomorrow, you must decide today, now. Sign a covenant with yourself. अपने साथ एक bond sign करो, which is more important and more powerful than the bonds of the Reserve Bank of India or Fort Knox in America. That bond should be with yourself. I hereby today solemnly undertake, in presence of myself, maybe mom, maybe dad. They are add-ons, they are not necessary. The commitment should be from you to you. It should say, I take an oath today to set myself on fire. I have a made in India person on whom I can model myself. His name could be Narayan Murthy, it could be Gandhi, it could be Bose, it could be J.R.D. Tata, it could be Ratan Tata, it could be anybody whom you feel has got that special go in him. For me, it could be Manekshaw. It could be Sam Manekshaw. So what? What's in a name? We're all soldiers. That oath should be that I hereby undertake to be transformational, not transactional. Transaction is fine. It is necessary for the daily work of life. People who are transformational rise above themselves. उनको आग लगी होती है, जिस सोसाइटी में जाते हैं आग लगा कर आते हैं. अगर ऐसे यहां लोग कहते आए हैं विद वेरिंग डिग्रीज ऑफ कॉन्फिडेंस, मूर्ति साहब ने बोला 3000 लोग बैठे हैं, मेरे को तो 300 दिख रहे हैं. कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. जिन्होंने मिस कर दिया, आफत उनकी है, आपकी थोड़ी ना है. आप इस बात को पल्ले बांधो. लड़कियां हैं तो दुपट्टे में बांधो, लड़के हैं तो वैसे ही रुमाल के बिना चलते हैं. क्या फर्क पड़ता कि आपने ट्रांसफॉर्मेशनल बनना है. एक डायरी खोलो. डायरी माध्यम है अपने आप से बात करने का, और उसमें आफत करो अपने साथ. बोलो अपने आप कि मैं ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन बन के दिखाऊंगी, बन के दिखाऊंगा. अगर ये मैसेज आपके ब्रेन में एक एरिया है विच इज कॉल्ड अ मेमोरी मसल, अभिनव बिंद्रा ने इस्तेमाल किया. 109 साल की तपस्या के बाद हिंदुस्तान में पहला इंडिविजुअल गोल्ड मेडल आया ओलंपिक्स में, चाइना में शूटिंग के लिए. वो इंसान, उन बच्चे जो ताड़ियां बजा रहे हैं, इन जैसा इंसान था. 10 साल मेहनत की, मुशक्कत की, हाथ तोड़ा, सिर तोड़ा, पैर तोड़ा, हंसी के साथ, खुशी के साथ, मुस्कान के साथ. अपने दिमाग का एक एरिया है, उसका नाम है ब्रोकाज एरिया. ब्रोकाज एरिया को कमांड दिया 1000 करोड़ बार हर एक रोज 11 साल के लिए कि तू गोल्ड मेडल लेकर आएगा. ले आया. ग्वांगजाओ में आपको मालूम है फंक्शन हुआ, कंपटीशन हुई. आखिरी गोली पर 1 मिलीमीटर की गोली, 1 मिलीमीटर का बुलजाई. 10 मीटर का फासला, 10 में से 60 में से उसकी 98.8 गोलियां टारगेट पर गई। क्यों बोल रहा हूं? हो सकता है मेरा दिमाग फेरा हो सकता है मेरे को तकलीफ हो कोरिलेशन करने में, बट मेरे को यहां पर 1000 नीचे ऊपर अभिनव बिंद्रा बैठे दिख रहे हैं।